Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and open your contact list. Tap on the three bars icon and tap on contacts. Now let's find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And then scroll all the way down to find the option block numbers. Let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive calls or messages from this number, so just tap on block. Right here we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that it has been blocked successfully. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So we have to come back to this home section after entering the dialer, and then tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner too and go to settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can tap on add a number and enter the number manually, so you do not have to have it saved. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, at the top you've got the option unknown, which means that after choosing it, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Just make sure that it is turned on and it looks like this. If you wish, you can turn it off the same way, of course, just by tapping on the switcher. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.